then you know how it feels to be ignored when your life is not celebrated. Maybe everyone, your friends are going out, but no one told you that they are going out. Maybe it's your birthday and no one wished you. No, it's painful. That experience is terrible. Now imagine you are going through that rejection, that ignorance, every day, every hour, every minute for 12 years. For 12 years. Her family probably left her alone. For 12 years. This woman was not just going through a physical pain, but the emotional. What about the emotional pain? The mental stress of being rejected. Thinking that, oh, I want to go out, but if I go out, people will just, maybe throw stones at me, may hate me, may whisper something. Wanting to go out, but unable to go out. Hundreds of people touching Jesus, but nothing happened. But the touch of an unclean woman. The only touch that mattered was the touch of this unclean woman. But an unclean woman coming and touching Jesus with faith, power was released. Jesus turns back. Who touched me? Faith moving towards God will always release power.